Hi, welcome. Let us see the English assignment related to the lesson, the proposal by Anton Chekhov. Describe in brief the character of Natalia as sketched in the chapter, the proposal. As we find in the lesson, tell about the character of Natalia. This is the meaning of the question. Natalia was 25 years old, daughter of Chubukov. She was a good housekeeper, right? She was maintaining the house very nicely. Not bad looking and well educated. She secretly loved Lomo. She was greedy and short sighted. Short sighted, thinking about the short, right? Benefits related to short term, right? Opposite is far sighted, thinking about future, far away future. Here she thinks about the present thing, right? She was short tempered as well. She was getting angry very fast. Lomo went to Chabukov's house and was seeking permission so that he could trouble him with a request. What is the trouble that he is talking about? Lomo went to Chabukov's house to ask him if he could marry his daughter, Natalia. This is the trouble he was talking about. Okay. Natalia was not Lomo's real love, but still he wanted to marry her. Give two reasons for his decisions. Though Lemo was not in love with Natalia, he wanted to marry her because he was suffering due to a weak heart and sleep sickness. He had these two difficulties, illnesses. He wanted a companion who could look after him. This is the reason. How and why did Lamo come to meet the Chabukov's family? Lamo came in a formal evening dress, wearing a jacket and white gloves. He came in formal dress. He had come to meet the Chebukov family to put forward his proposal for Natalia. He wanted to marry her. Okay. How can you say that Natalia was not convinced that Oxen Meadows were owned by Lamo? Natalia was convinced, as she said, that they owned Oxen Meadows for nearly 300 years. It was surprising and ridiculous, funny, if someone else claimed it to be his own. Chubko also joined the quarrel. It's about the property, right? Oxen Meadows is their farmhouse. The quarrel started related to the ownership of Oxen Meadows. What did Natalia say about Guess? Natalia said that Squeezer was superior to Guess. These are names of dogs. Lemo's dog. Guess is Lemo's dog. Lemo said that his dog Guess was better than Squeezer. Squeezer is a dog of Natalia. Natalia believed that Guess had become old and ought to be shot, killed. She also claimed that Squeezer was 100 times better than Guess. What does Chebuko at first suspect, doubt that Lemo has come for? Lemo arrives in a formal evening dress. He has dressed in formal dress. On seeing him, Chebuko thinks that he has come to borrow money. He decides not to lend it to him, but talks to him quite politely. Right? What is the ailment, sickness that Lamo is suffering from? Lamo is 35 years old. It is high time that he should settle for a quiet and regular life. He is suffering due to a weak heart. His heart is weak physically. And sleep sickness. He has sleep sickness. In need of a companion who may look after him, he wants to get married, right? These are the 8 questions and answers. Please replay this video, right? Go through the lesson properly, write and practice. Hope you understood all these things, right? God bless you. Thank you.